So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to check the word count here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word count a few times right here, I'll just go ahead and type it a bunch. And you want to count how many words you're at, or at least see how many words you're at in your document. Go to the top left, press on format right here. Bunch of different options for you guys, but where I want you guys to go, or sorry, go to, is it tools? Yeah, it's tools right here. Then go down to where it says word count. Or you can press Command Shift and C. Once you're here, it'll go ahead and show you the pages, the words, and the characters. You can also go ahead and display word count while you're typing. So if you want to go ahead and check this on, you can go ahead and press OK. Then down in the bottom left right here, you have your word counter. So if you were to go ahead and add some words, it'll increase. Delete some words, it'll decrease. And if you want to highlight certain words, it'll count that as well. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can check the word count here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.